Welcome to a special edition of Jam Packed Cooking. I told y'all we was going on vacation. Day number 1. Let's go. Alright, guys, travel day 1. Jam Packed Cooking. Today we packed and we traveling to Cancun, Mexico, baby. We're going to see the white sand, blue ocean. We might even check out a few recipes. Chef Ray, Mr. Money. Come on, y'all, let's go. We waiting on the jet, man, and once the jet come and everybody gets situated, we'll be on our way. We'll be on our way to white sand, blue waters, and some delicioso americana. It's been a long morning. I think it's about 8 a.m. now. Flight number 2, direct flight to Cancun, Mexico. They started about 2 a.m. 2 a.m. after two wrong turns, and we're back after this one. Cancun, baby. What's going on, guys? So when you ride first class with American, this is a breakfast choice. So we got, I think it's an egg, sausage, and some potatoes. And they come with a side of fruit. And my wife got the fruit.
Everybody put your hands in the air.
Flight attendants, prepare for landing.
Bienvenido. I made it. That's right, good people. We made it. It's vacation time, baby. Listen, man, it's been a crazy day. Traveling day. Day 1. Welcome to vacation, baby. It's time for tequila poppers and cigars, right? Then this day started about 2 a.m. But we made it. We're here. Not too long, we'll be checking in. I'm going to go and check into our hotel and get something to eat. Kind of relax. We'll be back shortly and let y'all know how we're rocking. Buenos dias. Good morning, Cancun, Mexico. He said, Bienvenido a Mexico. So we're here at the Dreams Riviera, Cancun. And this is the morning cafe. The food, come on here, let me show you. Let me show you what we're working with this morning in Mexico. Look here. Of course, you know I'm gonna go for the savory breakfast. So I got an omelet with queso, pork, peppers and onions over a bed of refried beans. I got fried potatoes, and then here we got pork sausage with more pork, sauteed pork with peppers and onions, and then we got chilaquiles with chicken and a breakfast burrito. So let's try it out. We're gonna go with the this first. Spicy, creamy. Just how I like my omelet. So let's try the pork out. Juicy, tender. It's pork. How did you go?
Good morning.
Buenos dias. Buenos dias. He dropped more than a little crazy stuff. We're on vacation, so stuff happens. This is what I was waiting on my whole vacation. First breakfast in Cancun. Chilaquiles. I have it every time I come to Mexico. It's one of my favorite Mexican dishes is chilaquiles. And this one also has chicken in it. We just getting started. This is the first breakfast at the Dream Riviera Cancun. This is the morning cafe. And it happens to be pretty good. So I'll take y'all around and show you a lot of the foods that they're offering. Come on, let's go. Let's go see what they serve. Let's go. this is the head chef, Fernando.
Fernando, welcome.
He the one prepare all this wonderful food. This is wonderful, excelente. Yeah, gracias. Gracias, thank you. And look at the cinnamon toast, loaded. Yeah. What's your name?
My name is Angel.
All right, I'm Renato.
It's a pleasure.
God.
It's a Mexican.
Mexican. What is this dish here?
This is a chicken mole.
Chicken mole.
Yeah.
Is it mole negro?
Mole negro.
Yeah. Chili quiles, huh?
Yes, sir. Chile.
Yeah. All good food. This is the Mexicano part. Gracias, guys. Thank you. Words can't explain. It's nice. It's very nice. Excelente, as they call it. Excelente. But y'all stay tuned, man. This is Jam Pack Cooking, traveling, Cancun, Mexico. We're on vacation. Y'all stick with me. I promise you. You're gonna have just as greatest time as I do. Make sure you tune in. This is gonna be a 5-part series. Number great food, fun, and relaxation. It's time to go. Maybe we'll go to the ocean now. We'll see. Let's go. Alright, so that was the World Cafe International Buffet. They had all type of cuisine from Mexican to Italiano, but all good food, all great stuff. Listen, this is day one. I promise you, we're gonna have a great time. So make sure you stay tuned. This is a 5-part series. All right, day one, vacation, Jam Pack Cooking. Chef Ray, Mr. Money. Let's go. It's time to get in this water. Look at this view. Did I not deliver? Did I not deliver? Right now, you in a space where you kick back. You got you whatever you like drinking. Me personally, bring me a Bahama Mama. And we're going to get in this water, y'all. Let's go. And here we are, man. White sand. So if today the day that you have had a long day, you've been stressing, it's okay. Today it's okay. Just tell a friend to tune in to Jam Pack Cooking. They just entered into a free vacation. Let me talk to you. Come here. This is what life is about. Doing what you love to do, because life is short. We promised 70 years. In my good book, we promised 70 years. And after that, you live it on borrowed time. If I don't tell you nothing else while we're on vacation, remember this. Spend your time valuably, if that's even a word. If it's not, debut from Chef Ray, Mr. Money, valuably. Spend your time in a valuably way. Because that's something you can't get back, you know. YOLO, you only live once. So make sure you spend your time valuably. But we're on vacation right now, man. Jam Pack Cooking. And this guy's selling things. So we might buy something. Just because we're spending night time. Alright, y'all. Love y'all. Keep watching this 5-part series. This is Beach Day. Jam Pack Cooking. Mr. Money Chef Ray. Back into the water. Cooking. Look, say Jam Pack
Cooking. Jam Pack Cooking.
Nope. Jam Pack Cooking.
Mexico. Mister.
That's right, Mr. Money. Peace and love. Muy bueno. And we back. We are back doing 2 of my favorite things I love to do on vacation. Relax and sip me a sangria. And smoke me a Cubana. Authentic Cubanas. So check it out. Hold on right quick, let me even this out. There we go. me, good guy, the good guy. Believe none of what you hear, half of what you see. What's your name?
Nestor.
Nestor. This is Jam-Packed Cooking. Yeah, Jam-Packed Cooking, my YouTube channel. Nestor fix an excelente sangria. Excelente.
Thank you.
No problem, no problem. Right here at Cancun, Mexico, Dream Riviera. Come see Nestor. All right, y'all. On to the next. Mr. Money, Chef Renato. Peace and love. Hey, what's up, Jam-Packed Cookers? Devil's Beach Day. Relaxation, kickback, and all of the above. Leave a comment, let me know what you think, let me know what you think about Beach Day. Until next time, make sure you like, subscribe, and ring the bell. And let you know the next time we Jam-Packed Cooking. Series 1, Beach Day. Let's go, baby.